Hello guys, welcome to another of our video tutorial, and today we'll be teaching you how to save your DataFrame dictionary in a simple way. Okay, so we actually have two ways or more than two ways you can save it, but today we are going to be talking about the CSV extension. All right, CSV simply means comma separated values. We also have the Excel formats, but today we want to focus on the CSV format alone. All right, so just to be sure, we still have our dict2 intact, so we still have to run this program and see that we have our code intact. All right, okay, since we've seen that our code is still intact, let's proceed to how to save your data frame dictionary. All right, so you clean up this. Okay, to save, you have to use the name of the data frame, which is dict2 dot to. Remember, we are dealing with the CSV file, so okay, so guys, this is how you save your data frame in CSV format. Okay, so what we have done here is to make sure that we save our data frame. We started with the name of our data frame dict2.to underscore CSV into bracket open and close double quotation or single quotation CSV underscore, then the name of the dictionary itself, the initial dictionary, which is dict1. All right, then comma, then you have your index to set to false. All right, so with this, once we run this program, our data frame is going to be saved. All right, so you click on this yellow icon as usual. Okay, you can see program finished. It means we have successfully saved our dict2, that's the data frame. So for you to be sure what you saved was correct, let's clean off this. All right, let's clean everything here. Okay, so for you to retrieve your data frame dictionary, what you will do here is to first of all import pandas as usual as PD. This PD is simply a short form. Instead of repeating pandas all the time, you use PD. You can actually say import pandas and you make use of pandas every other place, but to make it easier for yourself, you import it and use it as PD. All right, that's the essence of as PD you're seeing here. Okay, so the next thing to do is now we have to create another variable which will house the retrieving data frame that we are doing right now. Okay, so we'll assign that to be dict3. So we say dict3 equal to then pd.read underscore CSV underscore dict1. Okay, so guys, we have actually written the code. The next step is to run this and see if we are going to retrieve what we've saved initially. All right, so you click on the yellow icon again. Wow, guys, this is how you do your savings and your retrieving. All right, so I hope you've been able to learn a whole lot in the course of this data frame. We're actually going to do a lot in the course of this course, and I want you to practice this and see how you can help yourself with any other thing. See you in our next class. Take care.